What's up, guys? I'm back here today. It's Monday. Today I was off from school. We just didn't have school today. I don't know why. It was like a teacher work day or some bull crap, so I'm not complaining. But right now it's probably, let me see what time it is. It's 6:42, and I'm just back here on my grandpa's land. And, there. But, as you can see where I'm at, I'm by that mud hole. If you're wondering how I got down here without getting any mud on my four-wheeler hardly, well, that's because right over there to the left, there's a spot cut out now. I know my grandpa cut with a tractor, but he made big tractor ruts, and now we can climb up and down with the four-wheelers. That's pretty awesome. Just on the way up, you have to put it in four-wheel drive though, but you can make it in two-wheel drive. You just have to like really kind of get on it and go, and not like screw around. Yeah, yesterday was Sunday and my GoPro Hero 4 finally came in, and yeah, it came in, and I just did a quick little video. I'm not gonna upload on YouTube or anything. I just tested it out. I haven't really used it much, but I just like walked around with it, video, and I looked at it on my computer, and the quality is so much better than like I had this little one. It was called a Cross Tour, or some crap like that. It was called a Cross Tour. And I got it for like $45 a couple months ago, and I thought it'd be like a GoPro, but it was cheap. It came with all these nice accessories and all this crap, but it was a piece of junk. But this GoPro Hero 4 is nice. I've just never had a GoPro before, but I ordered one, and it's really nice. So it's got a Hero 4, not a Hero 5 or a 6. But I didn't think I need anything like that, because I mean everyone uses Hero 4s. I know they're still a great camera. So I just got one of those. But yeah, we're back in my grandpa's land. I mean, yesterday was the first time I rode around here in about 2 months. But this is my second or third time riding back here. And I mean, it's kind of weird not riding back here. Some of my older videos, I rode back here a lot. It's rough right there. If you keep on wondering in the video, guys, I was watching one of my videos the other day when I was riding my orange floor. I was like, what is that squeaking noise on video? Man, I forgot. Right here on my handlebar, this little rubber thing right here. I don't know if anybody has a Foreman or a Rubicon, a newer one. It'll squeak right here lots of times. And it's freaking annoying, but it'll sometimes stop. You spray like some silicone spray. But yeah. But look at it back here. It's kind of weird, isn't it? It looks kind of creepy. Yeah, I know. But I'm gonna put it in first gear. I'm just gonna drive through here. But yeah, right now I'm still recording with my iPhone because we're gonna go to Creekside on Saturday or Sunday this weekend. And there's another little mud hole out back here. It's pretty deep, but not too bad. But we're gonna go there to Creekside, and I already ordered a little thing that goes on your head, like a head mount, like everyone wears. And I ordered that, and that's supposed to come in tomorrow. Some other accessories. I'm like, stuck in some stupid tree. Four-wheel drive activated. I'm gonna see if I make it out with diff lock. Without diff lock. Diff lock. Oh yeah. Oh man, it's probably sucky right now. The quality of this video is, oh my god. Oh no, dang it. Oh, screw it. God, I had to get out of there. Suck. But I'm definitely ready to start recording my GoPro. But yeah, sucks. I'm sorry for that. That was like probably really crappy, the video was right there. But yeah, there's my Foreman. I cleaned it a while ago. But yeah, you just kind of ride back here, and got a little fallen tree. It's kind of sketchy. Let's see how I make it break. No, it's not gonna break. But yeah, my Hero 4 came in, so we're gonna go Creekside. I'm gonna be recording with that and have it on my head, like everybody else said. That's the first time I'm recording, so. But yeah. Man, I smell something. Smells like something from my four-wheeler. But yeah, so that's it for today, I guess. There's just a little quick ride, just telling you I got my GoPro. I was just gonna tell y'all that. And yeah, it smells weird. I don't know, my 4-wheeler has a weird smell now. Smell it. But yeah guys, that's it for today. I'll have some couple more videos this week before the ride. We'll go to Creekside, so yeah. Alright guys, I'll see y'all later. Out on my way, probably sometime this week. But yeah guys, peace.